So now you can create a new version by clicking on plus icon. Okay. So let's do it now. So working with creating rule set version. So here you go now. Okay. So now here, so create a new version 010102 for the rule sets. What are the rule sets? Implementation, comma, organization, and FW rule sets. In real time, are they going to create a new version for all the rule sets at every sprint? So it depends. It depends. Whatever the rule sets that they wanted to use, they will create, or maybe for all rule sets also, they may create. It depends. Okay. So now we are going to create a new version for implementation and organization and FW rule sets, but not for the integration rule sets. What is the reason we are creating for these three? It is very simple. So far, we have used all these three rule set versions. Okay. So we will go with creating a new version for all these three rule sets. So every week, so today, okay, after next week, so every Monday, we'll come up with a new version. Okay, let's create a new version now. So first, so we can, okay, first we do it for implementation rule set. For this, click on application menu, choose definition, So you go to application menu, and then choose what? Definition. Once you choose definition, here you go with rule set. Rule set. So click on edit icon against rule set. Click on edit icon against rule set. So it opens the rule set. Definition. So we are clicking on edit icon against implementation rule set so that it will open implementation rule set. So here you can click on plus icon. So click on plus icon. Then you see here the rule set version by default Pega is taking it as the number incremented by 1 for the patch. It is still editable. You can change any number. But as of now, I'm not going to focus on changing something else. I'm choosing this one. So when would you change the minor version or major version? Generally, in a sequential order, 99 reaches, you will go for incrementing minor along with that major when minor reaches 99. That's a sequential order. Other than that, if you are making many changes, suppose for a given release, there were huge changes are there, okay, in your application. To depict that, you are going to increment the minor version. If you are adding a new module into your application separately, new module is getting introduced, then you will go and update major version. Okay, but it is pretty rare situations, whatever I told now, adding new modules and all, but sometimes it may happen. Save, done. So a new version is created for implementation application rule set. Now, how many versions are there? 2 versions are there. So now what are we going to do? So click on edit icon to now go back to application. So open organization rule set. See, when you open organization rule set here, I'm going to tell you one additional point related to some other development in future. Just follow that now. Actually, we want to create a new version only. Let's create a new version. What is there in that? So click on plus icon. But one more additional thing, I will not explain, but I will show you. All of you do this. Create. So after you create, let's do a small change here. That is at the validation mode. I will explain you these things while we discuss about rule set, rule resolution. At the validation mode, choose application validation. Choose what? Application validation. Choose application validation. This is for the future purpose you are doing now, because anyhow you have visited this particular thing. So you do it. All of you, please do it. Otherwise, you'll be facing some issue in future. Now, go back to application definition. Go back to app definition. So we are repeatedly doing the similar task. So now open framework application definition. Open FW app definition. To open FW application definition, you will be clicking on this open icon. Thereby, you can open the framework rule set. Open framework rule set. Now here open FW rule set. So open FW rule set, and here also you just click on plus icon to add a new version. Plus icon, and here you go now create. So now the second version should be shown while you are creating a new rule. Okay, let me close this. Once it gets saved, I'll close all these things. Now, if you try to create any new rule, Pega is going to show two versions in the dropdown.